So how do you open the browser on Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and you don't miss anything important. So you probably noticed that when you're browsing your apps on the Apple Watch, there is literally nothing like a browser. There is no Safari or the ability to get the Google Chrome. And it's just by default, Apple has decided that we don't really need a browser on the Apple Watch, but you can still kind of get around it a little bit because there is a built-in browser to the Watch OS, and you can trigger it by clicking a link somewhere in the mail or messages or in a notes or in other places. But when you just click on some link, you can open it up within this built-in browser. So the way you can actually make it work is by, for example, texting yourself through Safari a link. So you can literally just share the google.com a link to yourself through iMessage and open it up through the Apple Watch. And in there, you'll be able to get inside a browser. So you will be able to see the Google or whatever other link you share, and you'll be able to just click around it and use it like a very little mini browser. It's not ideal, and that's why Apple hasn't decided to implement the browser, because naturally the watch is very small for this purpose. But I guess if you really wanted to at least play around it, you can use this method. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'm going to talk to you in the upcoming videos.